Welcome to our video about what you can do with Unreal Engine. Whether you're just starting out or looking to explore new features, Unreal Engine has a lot to offer. 1. Game development first. You can create both 2D and 3D games. Unreal Engine supports many platforms, including PC, consoles, and mobile devices. With Blueprints, you can design game logic visually without needing to write any code. 2. Stunning visuals and animations. Unreal Engine lets you create beautiful visuals and animations. You can design realistic characters, environments, and special effects. The animation tools help you bring your characters and scenes to life. 3. Realistic lighting and shadows. With Unreal Engine, you can achieve realistic lighting and shadows. The Lumen system provides dynamic lighting that looks amazing in real time, enhancing the overall atmosphere of your game. 4. 3D design. Unreal Engine supports importing 3D models from other software like Blender and Maya. This allows you to build detailed and complex 3D environments and objects easily. 5. Artificial intelligence. You can use Unreal Engine's AI tools to create smart non-player characters, NPCs, that behave realistically within your game. This adds depth and immersion to your game world. 6. Physics and simulations. Unreal Engine has powerful physics and simulation capabilities. You can create realistic object interactions, simulate cloth and fluid dynamics, and even build destructible environments. 7. VR and ad development. Unreal Engine supports creating virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR experiences. This means you can develop highly immersive games and applications for VR headset and AR devices. 8. Audio integration. Unreal Engine includes advanced audio tools that let you integrate sound effects and music into your game. Good audio design can greatly enhance the player's experience. Unreal Engine is a versatile tool that offers a wide range of features for game development and more. Whether you're interested in creating games, VR experiences, or stunning animations, Unreal Engine has the tools you need. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more Unreal Engine tutorials.